Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 4 of the vlogmas series that I'm doing on my channel for the month of December. Episode 1 of my top 5 favorite beauty products. So today we're going to be talking all about cleansers. So there are going to be some products that I'm either out of or that I don't use anymore that I really like, but I don't use anymore. So I'm going to be putting a picture of them up on the screen for you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first one that I'm going to talk about, hang on, let me get my list here, is the Neutrogena oil-free deep clean daily facial cleanser. Now this is my top. This is number 5 for the cleansers. So I loved this cleanser. It definitely really helped to clear my skin, but I don't use it anymore because I found another one that I helped to clear my skin a lot better. I do really like the Neutrogena oil-free cleanser. So in number 4, we have the Youth of the People Superfoods plus Kale cleanser. That was another great one that I don't use anymore. I used to use that one like all the time. I don't use it anymore. I think I'm gonna repurchase it again because I did really enjoy it and really like it. But like I said, I don't have that anymore. So this next one I have is in the 3rd spot, we have the Jafra Royal Jelly Revitalize Gentle Cleansing Milk. This one is nice and gentle. I do really like to use this one in the morning. I sometimes don't usually use it at night. I mean, you can. It says you can use it in the morning and night, but I like to use another one that we're going to be talking about at night. And this is a really great one. I love it. And then in the 2nd spot, we have the Jafra Royal Jelly Defy Rich Cream Cleanser. This one is so creamy and rich. I don't really like to use it in the morning. It's more for me a nighttime cleanser. Like this one too, it does say that you can use it morning and night, but I prefer to use it at night. I do really like this one. It's so good. And then this next one, in the number 1 spot, we have probably my favorite cleanser of all time. So in the number 1 spot for a lot of these skincare products is going to be ITK, because ITK is a skincare brand that I really started to really love. I got it maybe 2 years ago for Christmas or last year. I can't remember. But when I got it and when I tried it, I was just like, this is such a great brand. I love it. So speaking of ITK, this is the ITK Milk to Foam Gentle Cleanser. This is my maybe 3rd bottle of it. I haven't even opened this one yet because I just ran out of my other one. So like I said, I haven't even opened it yet. It's just overall a great cleanser. I love. Okay, so that was all of my favorite cleansers. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 5 for all of my favorite exfoliators. Bye!